What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button and click that bell icon and join the notification gang. We've been killing it lately, so keep it going, guys. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning, but I woke up and saw the sunrise, so I decided I'm gonna wake up, go get some pictures of Cardi B for Instagram because that looks too good to pass up. Let's get her started up. My neighbors definitely hate me. Those are gonna be some good pictures. If you guys want to see how those pictures turn out, definitely go follow me on Instagram at Gabe Farrell Productions. I post on there like every single day, and you get updates on videos and sneak peeks and stuff like that. So make sure you guys go follow. Finally nice outside here in Illinois. So we're gonna pull the truck in the garage and get this mod installed that I just ordered the other day on the truck. Just barely fits. Lifted truck problems. Today we're gonna be installing this tailgate assist. So if you have an older truck like me, or an old truck, I have a 2012, but the tailgate slams down, you know, like isn't like assisted, you know, because these don't really do much. So just when you open it, it falls down. I'll show you. See, open the tailgate and, you know, falls down, right? So instead of just the bands holding it, there's gonna be a shock. The shock is supposed to slow the tailgate down and it'll open. They have these on like the 2017 or newer trucks, and mine is not a 2017 or newer, so it doesn't have that. So that's what we'll be doing today. So to start off, there's these little holes on the inside of the tailgate on both sides. So you take this like blind nut thing, you put it in there, and then you put a wrench on this, put an Allen key on this, tighten it, blah, blah, blah. The blind nut expands, and then you got something to screw this into, which we'll get into after we screw that in. So after you get the nut tightened down, it opens up the blind nut, and then it's stuck there, not going anywhere. It said to do it for like 9 rotations. You could either tighten it until your arm hurts, or 16 ugga-duggas if you're using a drill. Then once it's tightened, just unscrew this. Make sure not to drop everything all over the floor. And then bam, you now have a thing. So now you can take this, put it in there, tighten it down, and just like that, tighten it down with this obviously. And then now you're halfway done, hopefully. For the next step, we're gonna be installing this like plate thing. I already put the shock on there because I got bored and impatient. So pretty much it's gonna sit just like this. So you gotta take this out, take that off, slide it on, put the screw back in, and ta-da. Which sounds really easy, but it's not, because I only have this. I don't have no drill or nothing here because I'm at Kaylee's house. But that's gonna be fun. Hello. Well, I've been trying to get this off for a minute with this, and that's not working. So my buddy Caleb's gonna come in clutch and bring the drill bit to get this done. Long story short, Caleb didn't bring a big enough bit, so we're going to go buy one from the auto parts store. I started at 1 o'clock and it's now 4:35, so I'm the best at doing this kind of stuff. All right, we got the socket. Thanks, AutoZone. Hopefully this works now.
Die. So gummed up in there.
Hype. It's working. Turn on the rock lights, because I'm bored. How's it going, Caleb?
This ratchet's broke.
What made today very terrible. If you do this yourself, make sure you have something to fit in there. Make your life a whole lot easier. I think it's a, what is it, T45? 47. T47 socket. You're welcome.
We're back, and today we are finishing this.
Alright, so pretty much just put this plate over there. Put the screw in. Tighten it down. With this broken wrench.
Ratchet. Ratcheting wrench.
Broken. Beep. All the mechanics are like...
Every mechanic ever is cringing.
Why is it...
Yeah, you see what I mean?
You have to like hold it like...
Yeah, the gears are fucked. Screwed. Bleep!
Okay, you can stop recording now. And then once you get this all tightened down, have the plate there, shock connected to the screw from earlier, and then mint. So you thought we were done, but not quite. This little bump stop thing right there, that has to come off. So you unscrew these two screws right there, and behind the shock right there. Take the tail light off. Back in here, there'll be two screws. And bump stop off. Now, put the tail lights back on. Tighten those two screws again. Then you should be done. So, I don't really know how to tighten in a tail light the correct way, but I know if you just do the thing and you do it right, it just works. It works. Finished. Done. Not touching my tailgate for a solid 3.5 weeks. Not looking at it. We're not talking about it. Nothing. Just kidding, guys. This is actually a really great mod for anybody that has an older truck like me. But if you have the 2017s, obviously you don't need this. I picked up mine for $20 on Amazon. Just look up your vehicle and then tailgate assist. Should be able to find it. 20 bucks. If I had all the parts like sitting in my garage, I would have been able to do this in 5 minutes, but it took me 5 hours. Thanks, Caleb. He cut his hand. I'm enjoying this. Works pretty good. Good job. Now we're gonna get the truck started up and moved out of the garage. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. Thank you to Caleb for helping me out. See you in the next one. Peace.